This is our second tutorial on mean, median, and mode. This problem happens to be number 21 on page 98 in your book. So the data that I wrote down here comes from problem number 21 in the book. You can look at problem 21 and verify that all the data is correct. Again, we're going to use our calculator to find mean and median. Mean and median, mode we're going to have to do manually. So we have to re-enter this data set and replace the old data set. You start out the same way. Hit Stat. Make sure your edit menu, you highlight, you select one for edit. Notice your old data is in there. To clear out your old data, you arrow up and highlight the column L1. Hit your clear button. Arrow down, it clears out the entire column. Now I can input new data, which is going to be from problem 21. Next thing I'm going to do is input this data, like I showed you in class. Hit my stat to find the information or the descriptive statistics. I hit stat, arrow over to calc, select one again, hit enter. Here my X bar or my mean is equal to 14.07. Sum of X you can look at is 197. Sum of X squared. Okay, S of X, which is the sample standard deviation, which is what we're going to use without anything else to choose from, is equal to 1.54. Population deviation is equal to 1.48. Like I said before, we're going to go over to this week. Difference is in S of X we divide by n minus 1, and omega of X we divide by n. Our sample size, n, is 14. Okay? Now, let's arrow down to find the median. Median is Q2, or in this case, median is equal to 14. Okay, again, we'll talk about quartile Q1, min, max, and Q3 later on. So the median is 14. Now the only other thing we need to do is find the mode, but the calculator don't do this. We have to do it manually. We got to order this data manually and determine the mode that way. First we look for the lowest value. It happens to be 11. Next lowest, there's a 12. 112 there. That's the only 12. Next lowest is 13. We have 113, 2 13s. That's it. Next lowest value is 14. I have one here, one here, next lowest is 15. One here, one here, one here, and we have a 16, and then we have a 17. Now you look at the values. You count which one occurs the most. There's 5 14s, 3 15s, 2 13s. So the highest one is 14. So our mode in this case is 14. This concludes the second tutorial on mean, median, and mode.